Leah is the founder of TaskRabbit, the pioneering on-demand marketplace that helped redefine the future of work and laid the foundation for what we now know as the gig economy.
Hi everyone, I'm Leah Solivan, and this is Breaking Precedent.
Stability was my mom. When I had the idea for TaskRabbit, I knew it was different.
But if you do that from the beginning, then it becomes easier because the culture that's built, the team that's built, the network that you've built as a company is more diverse and it feeds itself. It becomes an ecosystem.
What's important to us at TaskRabbit is that we empower people to build out their businesses on the platform, that they feel good about finding work on the TaskRabbit community.
I had the idea for TaskRabbit one night because I was out of dog food.
It was cold, it was snowing outside. I thought there's gotta be a way to get this dog food without me actually going out to get it.
I grabbed my iPhone and I thought, why can't I use this device to connect with someone right now in real time and get the dog food?
You know, sometimes folks say, oh, I was nervous to share my idea with people because I was afraid they were gonna steal it. It all really comes down to execution.
You've got a pretty good job at IBM.
I have a great job at IBM. You know, went to IBM, I was like, wow, this is amazing. Like IBM, it's super stable. And
Well, because I had spent 8 years at IBM, I had a pension. It was $27,000. That's the original funding for TaskRabbit. You know, if I'm being really honest with you, I feel like I had this imposter syndrome. Like I was a technical leader, I was a product leader. I did not go to business school. I didn't know how to build financial models, right? I mean, there was a huge learning curve to raising money and building a business like I did with TaskRabbit.
Startups are hard, they become part of your life. There's no work life, the lines are blurred. And if you don't really love what you do and aren't passionate about what you're doing, it's gonna be even harder.
One, honestly, I was so burnt out. I still wake up in the middle of the night thinking I'm the CEO of TaskRabbit and like thinking of all the things that could go wrong.
I founded it at a time where it was crazy to think you would jump into a stranger's car to get a ride, let alone invite a stranger into your home to do small jobs and tasks for you.
And coming from a founder mindset, I was always so concerned about the competitive landscape for TaskRabbit. I mean, I would lose sleep.
It was another moment where I really challenged the team to think, listen, we've been optimizing on this one mountain and we have this auction bidding based approach. Should we boldly leap to a new peak?
The creativity and humanity are things that AI isn't gonna replace, AI isn't gonna commoditize. What technology can't take from us is our humanity and our creativity.